Hey everybody, it's Sean from Our Vision Nomadic Living, and in this video I'm going to go through the steps to winterize my son-in-law and daughter's Jayco Jayflight 286 BHWS. Anyways, come along! So the tools that are needed for this are pretty much just basic hand tools. In the case of my daughter and son-in-law's trailer, it's actually easier to pull the water plug with a wrench than a socket. But it's going to require a 15/16 wrench or socket to pull out the nylon plug. The water heater is located on the rear of this Jayco Jayflight, underneath this panel. So we're going to take the panel off. So again, what we're going to want to do is drain the water heater. And so we're going to pull this plug out right here, this nylon plug out. Now of course, once you drain it, some people will take a little flush wand and get up in there and flush that out. Let's not leave that there all winter long. Nate's now got to go underneath that little crawl space and turn the valves which bypass the water heater. And the reason for that is so we don't fill the water heater full of
antifreeze.
That's right.
There's one. And there's another one up top. And that should be it.
Here we are underneath the sink, and there's a little fake wall, for better use of a term. Right behind the wall there is the water pump. Pump's right there, and as you can see, there is a black valve right there at the bottom. What I need to do is turn that valve. Once we turn that valve, it's going to allow us to siphon antifreeze from a bottle in through that clear hose and then into the system. Now what I've done is I've put a gallon bottle of antifreeze with that clear tube down into it in preparation to siphon that out. So the next step in this is that you want to start with a faucet that's furthest away from the pump. And in this case, in this trailer, it's probably the shower. So we'll start with the shower faucets, then go to the toilet, then go to the faucet itself, the sink faucet in the bathroom. And then this one is equipped with an outside sink. I always start with the hot, and when he opens up the hot line side, I'm gonna turn the pump on. Just step on that. And I'm gonna run it on the hot side first. There we go. And a little bit through the... There we go. Just as an extra little precaution, we're going to dump a little bit of antifreeze down in each sink to get the make sure the P-traps are good. Alright, so how long did that take us, Nate?
Like 10 minutes.
Yeah, not very long at all. So one of the final steps that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get underneath there and I'm going to turn the siphon valve back to its normal position. That way when Nate and Shaylee are ready to flush the system with fresh water and some sanitizer in the spring, it's all ready to go. They don't have to worry about that. Okay, so we got some Teflon tape re-wrapped on that nylon plug. Now some people will go ahead and just put a new plug in. We'll go reinstall this. Well, I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful. I will put a list in the description below of the steps that we took. And anyways, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Right, Nate?
Yep, thumbs up.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe and follow Angie, Jazz, and I on our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.